The Hiccup Champion. Alright, folks, get this. Charles Osborne had hiccups for 68 years. That's right, his hiccups were longer than most of our Netflix binges. Imagine hiccuping through every holiday, birthday, and family dinner for nearly 7 decades. Talk about dedication. So next time you get the hiccups, just remember, at least you're not in a lifelong hiccup marathon. If this hiccup tale made you laugh, like, share, and subscribe to Sai Surya Filmmaker. Hit the bell icon and you don't miss more hilarious facts.